snap. Nice. Mr. MiyagiStyle. Hey guys, gals, happy Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah, it's Monday. This was just actually posted on the Facebook group that I follow with Hover Air. So it's official that they've been kind of teasing us with these kind of screenshots of each part of this particular drone. And the final image was actually displayed today on the group. And we are now going to see the new Hover Air water drone. This is going to be wild. This is going to be the first AI water drone out there. I've seen water drones way back, but I don't think they were very successful. I can't wait because I can add it to my Hover Air arsenal here. So you guys know I'm a big fan of Hover Air drones, starting from the X1, which I took on a lot of trips, and it served me really well, and I still use it from time to time. And then when they announced the Hover Air X1 Pro series, the Pro and the Pro Max, I actually jumped onto the early adopter for the X1 Pro. It had a bit of a rough start. You guys saw videos of it, but the drone, through several firmware updates, have really matured, and it's at the point where now this drone is definitely an essential tool in my bag. And then we have the beacon and the joystick as well. This was something that I later invested in it, and I wanted to wait till they work out the bugs for that. And the thing with Hover Air is every time they come up with a firmware update, they actually add features either to the drone or to the beacon, which I really love. Now with the combination of the beacon, the joystick, and the X1 Pro, it's a great portable system that, you know, compared to my DJI Mini 3 Pro, it's such a smaller format. It's foldable. You just pocket this thing, whereas you can't do with the other one. I can launch it within 10-20 seconds and get footage and then put it back in my pocket. This is the meat and potatoes of this drone. Guys, this new drone coming out looks wild. You know, for me as a scuba diver, I do a lot of kayaking, canoeing, that kind of stuff, and I'm around water all the time. So it'd be cool to see this thing in the water. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't go underwater, which would be kind of cool. So it is a water-resistant, waterproof drone, and I'm not sure the complete specific. They just launched the image today, so we'll see more specs come out. So I'll be interested to see what features this thing has. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to be a foldable drone. That's the only thing that I was hoping that it would be, but I can understand that because it's a waterproof, they probably couldn't make it foldable. But again, I think it's small enough that it'll be something that you can carry around with you while you're traveling. Hoping that this will be the size of the DJI Neo, and I think it will be. But yeah, waterproof. This is phenomenal. You guys know that there's also the anti-gravity company I started up, officially announced by Insta360. It will be focused on drones only. Insta360 also announced that they will be releasing 2 drones. One is going to be by Insta360, and the other one is going to be the big one. The flagship is going to be launched by anti-gravity. This is going to be the first 360-degree drone itself. We've seen 360 degrees in drones in the past by Insta360 with their Sphere product. If you're not familiar with the Sphere, do a search on it. It's got some really neat footage, but it's an older tech. It's a few years back. What this basically was the 362 lens attachment that would attach onto an existing DJI Mavic drone or Air drone, and then you can get 360 footage off that drone. So what Insta360 has done, or anti-gravity has done, is instead of having a optional accessory, they've basically taken that technology and building the drone ground up with that technology built right into it. I'm definitely getting it. I'm a big 360 guy, and I'm a big drone guy, so it's a recipe for disaster for me, for my wallet anyways. So I'm going to be throwing more money at Hover Air. I'm definitely going to get that water drone when it comes out. Hopefully it's not too expensive. I think they're probably going to have the Indiegogo program with it for early adopters, because you do save some money, but there will be some growing pains when you join that kind of a program, because you're an early adopter and there will be headaches that come with that program. But if you're patient and you can work with that, like I did with the X1 Pro, it will eventually mature into a product that this is now. Which is, I think it's well worth the money. So cool, guys. I just want to jump on and let you guys know about this new announcement. it looks like it's going to be a great year again for toys. Not necessarily for your credit card and your wallet, but with DJI launching a bunch of their product, hopefully we're going to see the A6 coming out. GoPro apparently is launching their Go Max 2. A lot of 360 stuff coming out, guys. Seems like that's the wave of the future right now. Hopefully we're going to see the new Insta360 Go Ultra coming out soon, or announced anyways. So who knows what's in the books for everybody. We know what GoPro's coming out, we know what DJI is coming out. I haven't heard much from Insta360 except for the Go Ultra, but I'm sure they have lots of stuff under their sleeve, as they always do. But anyways, have a great day, guys. See you guys on the flip side. Ciao.